Welcome to another AMI Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk about placement of your TGA and minimizing vibration and other environmental factors on your TGA. So with any unit that has a microvalence, you're going to have to worry about vibration. Fortunately, the TGA is not as susceptible to vibration as many microbalances are. So it's not as much of a concern, but there is a concern. So what you're going to want is a nice sturdy bench. The bench we have here is just actually a standard countertop. It actually works very well. If you do have problems with vibration, you can go with like a granite top or an anti-vibration platform, but generally that is not necessary. What you're going to do is you're going to find an area that's clear and large enough to hold this. You're also going to want room to have your flow meters in your computer. Once that is located, you've got that all ready. You set your unit in and install it. You're going to want to install your water recirculating unit if you're using one, or you're going to want to have your access to your tap water and your drain. Most people use the recirculating unit because it is more environmentally friendly, because you're just running and recirculating the water versus just running and dumping water. We use about 300 cc a minute, so it's not a large volume, but it is enough to be a consideration. If you're using a recirculating unit, it has a pump in it, it has a fan in it, so there is some vibration, although it's minimal. So you don't want to set it on the bench. What you do is you set it on the floor near or by the unit, and then you would drape the hoses such that there's no vibration. Now, environmentally, you can have vibration from other instruments. You can have vibration from large, heavy equipment, things like that. You have to take that in consideration. If you are in a location where there's a lot of heavy machinery that is doing a lot of vibrating, you can sometimes just put your hand on the table and feel that vibration. That will potentially show up. So if you have a problem with it, you're going to have to try and minimize that. But for the most part, any good laboratory bench will work and you'll get very good, favorable results.